how to upload photos in Google Drive and share the link in mobile. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can upload the photos in Google Drive and share the link in mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open your Google Drive. So simply I'm opening the Google Drive. So after opening the Google Drive, here you have to upload the picture whom you want to share with your mobile. So simply you have to tap on this plus icon. Okay, so now from here you can also create a folder and upload that photos inside that folder. So now I am simply uploading the pictures from my gallery. So I have to click on this upload option. Okay, so from the gallery, so I will choose these pictures. Okay, so simply from here you'll have to click on this done option. Okay, so it's preparing to upload the files on Google Drive. All right, the pictures has been uploaded to my Google Drive. So simply now from here you can share the link of these photos on your mobile. So simply for that you'll have to click on this three line just at the beside of your picture. So you have to click on this three dot. Okay, so now from here you'll have to go with the option share. Okay, so from here you will have to give the permission or set the settings for access. So simply I'm clicking on this manage access. So simply you have to tap on this change option. So again click on this. If you want to share the pictures to anyone like they have access with the link, so you can go with this option. So now the picture I have been selected is now public and anyone can see this picture with the link I will provide from here. So simply back from here and from here on the top you will have to add the people or group for the access of your pictures. So simply you can add their Gmail address here. Like you can see from here, I can send the link of these pictures to this Gmail account and they can access it from here. So if you want to share the picture that you have been uploaded to your Google Drive, so simply you can do from this. So hope this video was helpful and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.